Harrington. Codi ben. Styried croesi. Yn ôl at Holmes. Danny Holmes yn taro'r Pêl ymlaen. Paulo Mendes. Tynnu Pêl yn ôl at Harrington. Sy'n mewn. A Ceri o le, mae'n ergydio! A Mike Lewis yn cael ei law ati yn holl bwysig. Yn troi'r Pêl i'r bar. Ac oedd hi'n edrych fel bod hi'n mynd am y gornol ucha. Disney, troi yn y cylch canol, codi ben. Taro'r Pêl letraws ymlaen. Edwards! Yn taro'r bar. A'r Barri'n llwyddo i glirio. Di ddim yn glir eto. Disney yn ei chael ei nôl gan Mendes ac yn ergydio. A fe darodd Disney honna'n dda. Ond am yr ail waith, mewn chydig funudau, y tîm cartra'n taro'r bar. Dyfarnwr yn hapus i ganiatáu amser i'r Cei Connah gael ei chymryd. A fe mewn! Cei Connah, Chris Owens yn canfod pen George Horan. A mae capten y tîm cartra wedi rhoi Cei Connah ar y blaen. Yn chwaraewyr y Barri'n gandryll. Yn honni bod yna drosodd wedi bod gan Horan, a dyna sydd wedi ffindio gymaint o le. Press. Cymryd i Geiriau ar hyd y llawr. Croesia dofn. At Hood, Hood yn ei thynnu hi nôl. At Hugh, Hugh yn ergydio! A fe symudodd y Pêl yn yr awyr. A dyna, nath beth yn anodd i Oliver Byrne yn y gôl. Danny Holmes yn lansio'r tafliad i mewn i gwrs Cosby'r ymwelwyr. Mae'n syrthio i Aaron Edwards! A'i ergydd i Selo. Yn ffeindio ei ffordd drwy'r goedwig o gyrff. Oedd o'i flaen o. A mae gen y Barri fynydd i'w ddringo rwan. Cicir, Mike Lewis. Bwnsio ymlaen. A mae yna gyfle fan hyn. Cottrell. Yn y cwrs Cosby! A fe mewn! Wel o ddim byd o gwbl. Jordan Cottrell. A'i groesiad o. Trwy gyfuniad o ddau o amddiffynwyr y tîm cartra. Yn cael fel cefn y rhwyd. Jonathan Hood, y dyn newydd. Yn cymryd y tafliad. Mae hwn yn gyfnod da i'r Barri. A mae mewn! Kane McLagan yn sgorio i gôl gynta ers mis Tachwedd. Curtis MacDonald yn llwyddo i gadw'r Pêl ar dir y byw, yn ei thynnu hi nôl, a pwy oedd yno? Ond Kane McLagan. Oliver Byrne. Dod yn bell allan o'i gwrs Cosby gymryd y gic. Y Pêl cael ei tharo nôl i gyfeiriad gôl Cei Connah. A mae McLagan trwad, Kane McLagan! A mae'r Barri ar y blaen! Ar ôl bod ddwy ddim ar ei hôl i. O fewn cyfnod o 10 munud, maen nhw'n dod yn ôl. A twrn chwaraewyr y tîm cartra di rwan i fod yn gandryll. Oedden nhw'n siŵr bod yna drosedd gan Kane McLagan. Chris Owens. Owens yn curo George, i groesiad o at y post yn agosa, cael ei tharo allan at Aaron Williams. Croesiad Williams, di heb gael ei chlirio'n dda. Mae'n nôl at Williams, i ergyd o! Nach i arbediad! Mike Lewis i lawr i'w dde, yn cael ei law at honna, ac yn troi y Pêl heibio'r postyn. Oedd Aaron Williams yn meddwl bod oedd i sgorio fan'na. Gavin, as they were chanting at the end, unbelievable Barri Town.
Look, sport. You never know what you're going to get. Last couple of weeks, obviously been very difficult, things going against us, performing not very well. And then you come away to the champions and you're 2-0 down. We feel aggrieved at the first goal, but you had to override that, start the second half, concede another one, and you're really in a hole at that point. You get yourself a goal and all of a sudden the belief was just immense, and just immensely proud of my players today.
Yeah, it's a great result for us, a good day. Been few and far between this season, so it's nice to have a good day and a comeback, but I think it's important that we showed some spirit today. We've had some tough results, some tough weeks and months that we've had. we find ourselves in a situation where we don't want to be. So it's important that we had a performance today. I think we got that regardless of the results. Obviously it's the first time I think I've won at Quay, so it's a great result, and we're happy with it, but the performance was important, and that's what we'll take away from today.
Craig, as entertaining as that was for the neutral, I can't imagine how frustrating this will be for yourself.
Yeah, you can't, and I don't think anyone can. Bitterly disappointed. I'm struggling. You know, it is. You know, I've still had half an hour since the game finished, and you know, I've managed to see the goals back, and we gave away some terrible goals. Strange decisions. 2-0. We're up, and you know, we've done the hard work against the win first half as well, and we had a really poor 15 minutes.
When you were 2 down, things seem to change very quickly. From your point of view in the dugout, what do you think changed?
Nothing from us. Nothing from the bench. This is all on the players today. You know, in those moments you find out a lot about people, as I've said, and I just thought that goal that went in, it was an own goal, just give us that little bit of belief, that little bit of sort of, you know, a bit of a fillip if you like, and I think thereon we started making more runs further forward, the ball started sticking a bit better, you know, we were getting up as units and supporting play, and look, we've had another couple of 1 or 2 opportunities as well. What I will say today, I thought our goalkeeper was outstanding. I thought he's pulled off some saves that belong at the very highest level.
Against Quay away, I don't think I've scored up here before, so it's another big milestone for me, but for the team it's massive, and I'm hoping that it's a turning point for us, because we had a similar result at Barri where we came back from 3-1 down to get 3-all, and we thought that was a turning point, but this has to be a turning point for us now. We're in a position in the table where we don't want to be. Top 6 is probably too far away, but you know, there's 2 teams that are going to leave this league, and it can't be us this season, so scoring goals and winning games is really important.